Hello everyone, this is Jacob Kroll with NJTechReviews, and we are here with
Peter Pernuski, Product Manager for the new Moto X.
And we're going to dive into some of the software features of the Moto X right now.
The first feature we're looking at is what we call active display. And what the purpose of active display is to present you with information that you need to know. So instead of a goofy blinking light causing anxiety and kind of in your face, but you don't know what it's really telling you, we've quietly presented you with meaningful information, everything from the time to any missed notifications. What we can see here is the breathing state, and as it breathes back on, we see I've missed a message. I tap that message, and a couple things are going on. On the bottom, I can see all the notifications I missed, but specifically at the top, I see this message from Rachel. As I slide my hand up and touch that, it takes me instantly into the application, and from this point I can now respond to April.
And there's no lag time at all.
There's no lag time whatsoever.
Very
Instantly
fast.
into that application, saving you steps, presenting you with meaningful, actionable information. Let's go back to the home screen. The next feature we're going to demo is what we call touchless control. Touchless control responds to your voice, no buttons necessary. And what we found is that users want to use voice features and voice commands, but they have to push the button. So if my phone's on my desk, or my phone's on the counter at my house, or across the room, or in the car, I may not be able to go get my device. This feature allows us to do it, again, no buttons necessary. Let's give it a shot. Okay, Google now, navigate to Times Square. The phone knows my name because I've entered that. It launches a navigation session. I have the ability to cancel out if I don't want to do that, but here we go on our way to Times Square.
Northwest on West 39th
Let's
Street
exit
to
that.
11.
That's really cool.
We're going to exit out of there and go back to the home screen. Let's try another one. Okay, Google now, wake me up tomorrow at 6 a.m.
Setting alarm.
And there we see my device is now setting the alarm for 6 a.m. so I can get up bright and early.
It does it all in the background. It does
it all in the background, doesn't interrupt the user, also prompts you with meaningful information so you can cancel out if you don't want to do that, and you know, other things such as calling. Okay, Google now, call Alicia.
Calling Alicia on their mobile phone.
It's acknowledging that I want to call Alicia. It's giving me a moment to cancel if I don't want to.
Calling.
And here we go into our calling session. That's what we call touchless control.
That's awesome.
Let's go into our final feature, which we call quick capture. What quick capture does is solves the pain point of users fumbling with their camera, fumbling with their phone trying to launch the camera. And this is very important to anyone who has an active lifestyle. Maybe you're carrying groceries, or you have a young child that you're carrying, and you don't always have two hands available to capture the moment. And especially if you're walking down the street and something exciting happens, you want to get that shot instantly. So with just the twist of a wrist, we allow the user to launch the camera, and then from that point, they can tap anywhere to take a picture. Let's give it a try. I pick the phone up, twist of the wrist, I'm in the camera, I'm instantly panning, and boom, capture the picture. And now, best of yet, we've cleaned the UI up. I can simply scroll over and get into the gallery. Very easy to use. Or I can scroll the other way and I have my quick settings available. And on top of all that, we do have the ability to do a multi-shot with just a simple press and hold. And you can see there, 5, 6, 7 capturing images. Very quick, very easy to navigate through that gallery and see those images.
That's awesome.
That's what we call quick capture.
Awesome. I think